Hi guys! This is a quick tutorial on how to use Source Monitor in Premiere Pro and how to make it super useful in your daily editing routine. Let's start from scratch and see what the difference is between the Program Monitor and the Source Monitor. The Program Monitor, usually on the right, is linked to your timeline. It shows what happens on your timeline. The Source Monitor, usually on the left, is used to preview your source clips. So, if you double-click on any clip from your project panel, you will see it in the Source Monitor. And you can watch your clip from the beginning to the end and choose those parts of it you want to see in your project. Here is an example. I only need this part of the video where our wonderful Jack Russell appears. I go to the start point where the dog is about to enter the frame, hit I, then I go to the end point and hit O. You can also use these brackets for in and out points, but I recommend always using hotkeys to make your work more efficient. By the way, we've got a nice video about the most useful shortcuts in Premiere Pro. Check it out here. So now you can put this highlighted piece on your timeline, wherever your playhead is. There are two ways to do that: Insert or Overwrite. Insert pushes over all the rest of your material to the right. Overwrite works the same as if you drag and drop a new clip on a timeline, so it overwrites the previous clip. If you look closely at these icons, they actually show you what they do. Insert, Overwrite. But I don't use those buttons, because I'm a hotkey fan. I use comma to insert and period to overwrite. Look how easy it can be. I have a video of running couple. It's too long for me, so I want to try a jump cut here. Let's take a little fragment from the beginning. I hit I to set my in point, then I play a little, about 1 second, and hit O to set an out point. Then I push comma to insert, then I move this highlighted fragment a bit, comma again, move, comma, move, comma. Now look at the result. An awesome jump cut video made in 1 minute. Another important thing to mention, pay attention to these V1, A1 buttons. They show which track is chosen to insert your clip. So if I put V1 here and A1 here and hit comma, it will paste a clip onto these tracks. Okay, I'll move A1 here and now it's inserted like this. Sometimes you might try to add a new clip, but only see the video on your timeline, no audio. That just means that A1 is not active, so activate it and try again. There is another way to place your selection on the timeline. Just drag it to the Program Monitor and see the multiple options that you have. You already know Insert and Overwrite. You can also insert before and insert after the clip your playhead is standing on. Also Overlay, which places your selection onto new tracks, and Replace, which works only when you activate the clip you want to replace. Notice that the following shortcuts you use on your timeline, I hope you use, also work on the Source Monitor. The arrows move the playhead back and forth by 1 frame, holding Shift and arrow move the playhead by 5 frames. Use L to play, K to stop, J to play backwards. To play at double speed, hit L 2 times. Hit L again and again to make it even faster. J works the same way. And if you want to play 2 times slower, hit K plus L or K plus J, depending on which direction you want to move. Don't forget to watch our video about hotkeys. It will really save you a lot of time. What else? Use these icons to drag and drop only video or only audio on your timeline. You can export a frame from your clip, just go here and choose a format. Also, in the Source Monitor, you can work with markers. Just add a quick note wherever you want, use different colors. Notice that markers you add here also appears on a timeline. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful for you, please hit the like button. And if you want to learn more about Premiere Pro, Final Cut, After Effects and other tools for video creators, subscribe and hit the bell button. And if you're looking for great and unique music for your videos, visit takedowns.com. You'll find tons of awesome music, and each track has 15, 30 and 60-second versions as well as loops, which is super convenient. Also, make sure to check out the cool video effects. See you later!